Robert Heffernan, EndoTech, streaming live exclusively for the Pareto token holders, the Pareto network. Let me get this microphone in the right place. It is Sunday night, March 18th. Happy recovery for all of you St. Patrick's Day revelers. And, cryptos never sleep, so they traded them all weekend. And what a weekend they had in these cryptos. Yesterday's action, just no good. After Friday, and me talking on Friday's segment how I would have loved to seen these things have a strong rally on Saturday and Sunday. Yesterday, they just did not cooperate. But today's action, much more conducive to me stepping in and buying some of these cryptos, which I have done on Sunday trading, because cryptos never sleep, man. The casino is always open. So let's, you know what? We're going to get right into the vitals today, because that's what we need to talk about. Taking the vitals. It's our daily snapshot of the relative health or sickness of any of the particular crypto assets that we're covering mostly the majors for now. And let's get right to Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin trading 83.68 last, 83.68. Like I say, put in a great candle today. After Saturday's pathetic performance, they rallied them today and closed out of lower momentum for the first time in days. That lower momentum level today at 79.48, and currently trading well above yesterday's or Sunday's value range. That value range 73.51 to 77.65. Right now trading 83.70, so well above that. That pivot level 79.91. Again, the market higher than all of those metrics. So looking healthy right now from a daily perspective. You have to realize that you have to be conscious of the fractals. What perspective are you looking at? What time frame are you analyzing and therefore trading the market in? But for right now, the daily looking a lot better than it did on Saturday. I'll tell you that. And I'm actually working orders to buy Bitcoin a little bit lower here. I think they'll hopefully, for my entrance, will retest that momentum level and possibly that higher value, which are great places to step in and buy, because they should just hold those levels. They should hold that momentum level and or that higher value. Be a great place to enter. Now, when we talk about the fractal of it, though, because Sunday night, I'm talking to you, but it's already Monday in Asia, right? The trading week has already started, the way we look at things. And so those weekly levels, momentum levels in particular, of the blockchain vitals are so important, right? So last week, that momentum level in Bitcoin was around 9,400. This week, much lower. Lower momentum in Bitcoin, 85.31. So you see here we're trading just below that, 85.31. I fully expect the market to trade that 85.31 level, and I fully expect an argument to ensue there. And when I say an argument to ensue, I in general mean that there's going to be volume. There'll be volume associated with the trade there. All right, so love to see this momentum continue here in Bitcoin as we've closed out of lower momentum. Love to see this trade higher and test that weekly momentum, lower momentum level at 85.31. And obviously, I'm playing alongside of it. Want to see it take that level out and take it out strongly. So that's what I'm looking at. If it goes and today trades that 85.30 area and falls away hard, and then let's say closes back down in lower momentum on a daily basis, that is really, really bad action. You do not want to see that happen here if you're a long Bitcoin. Then room on the weekly to 38.68 on the downside. So still a lot of room to the downside if they can't take out this weekly momentum level at 85.31. That's what I'm looking at. I'm looking to get long here and see if we can't test that level and see how the market reacts around it. But definitely on my mind that if it tests that area and falls away hard, that there's more downside to be exposed, especially from the weekly fractal. All right, let's talk Ethereum. Ethereum trading 555. Again, it's looking healthy. Put in a good candle today also above its value range, but not quite out of lower momentum. We've talked over the past couple of days how Ethereum just has been weaker from the vital standpoint than Bitcoin or Litecoin. But a nice size value range there, 455 to 518, currently trading above it. Again, a retest of that value range high is a great place to jump in long if you want to start establishing longs in Ethereum. Ethereum still well in lower momentum though on a weekly perspective, well in lower momentum. 675 is that lower momentum level in Ethereum this week. So love to see it obviously take out 578, the lower momentum on the daily. And if we can do that and make some headway here in the next couple of days, that next striking point that we want to see it go after is that weekly lower momentum level, 675. The weekly's got room down to 282 now in Ethereum. Again, I'm working to try to pick some Ethereum up a little bit cheaper than this. But, you know, I think in the long run, as Bitcoin goes, so will the rest of this complex because it's so correlated. I do think, though, on the long side, some things have a better potential on multiple returns than Bitcoin, but that still play out. All right, let's jump down to Litecoin. We talked about that on Friday and how similar it was to Bitcoin. But it hasn't taken out its lower momentum level yet. 158 on the daily. It's trading 156 right now, so it's sniffing around there. Again, all of these things above their value ranges, which in general for me means there's something that's changed when you open above or below a value range. That value range 141 to 153, trading 156 now. Want to see Litecoin take out this 158 and close out of lower momentum on the daily. Just really important to see it do that. Let's jump to Litecoin's. Hold on a second. Litecoin 158.86 is the Litecoin lower momentum. 158.86 lower momentum, and I take that back. That's the daily. What am I talking about? The weekly. I knew it was right there. 158.31. 158.31. On the weekly in Litecoin, and room down to $83 to the collar, lower momentum collar on the weekly in Litecoin. So 153 above it right now here on the price action above and out of lower momentum on the weekly. Hasn't taken out its daily lower momentum, 158. But again, above its value range, looking healthy. All of these three that we've covered here so far, above their value ranges. I jumped in on a few of them, and I'm working a little bit lower on the rest to fill out about half of the money that I'd put on the table for these things. I still need to see Bitcoin trade above that 85.31 level, that lower momentum on the weekly, and if we can take it out, and love to see it close the week above there, close the week. We got 7 trading days ahead of us, but that's what I'm looking at. And, you know, as we go daily now in this week, if it can take the level out and start taking out, let's go back to Bitcoin for a second. It can start taking out that center line at 89.72. You know, we really want to see this go and close in up momentum, all right? You want to follow the Mo. You know, we're out of lower Mo, so that's good from a bull standpoint or being long the market. But you really want to see it continue, man, and continue higher and go grab that up momentum level. Today up at 99.96. So that's what I'm looking at. You guys have a great trading day. Tomorrow, Monday, I will be back and we will chat again. Have a great trading week.